The Supreme Court on Thursday firmly refused to entertain a public interest litigation seeking a judicial probe into the horrific Pahalgam terror attack, stating that such a move could potentially demoralize the armed forces. Criticizing the petitioners sharply, the apex court emphasized that the sensitivity and gravity of the issue should have been considered before filing such a plea. Be responsible before filing such PILs. You have some duty towards your country also. This is the crucial hour when each and every Indian has joined hands to fight terrorism. Don't demoralize the forces. Look at the sensitivity of the issue, Justice Surya Kant said. The petition had called for the formation of a judicial commission to probe the gruesome attack by Pakistan-backed terrorists in Baisaran Valley near Pahalgam, which claimed the lives of 26 people. However, the court firmly responded that judges are meant to adjudicate legal disputes, not conduct criminal investigations. Since when did we acquire the expertise to investigate? You are asking a retired Supreme Court judge to lead an investigation? Judges are meant to deliver verdicts, not gather evidence. Don't compel us to issue orders that fall outside judicial scope, the bench said, rebuking the petitioner. The petitioner faced further reprimand when he requested directions to safeguard Kashmiri students studying in other parts of the country, claiming they were being targeted in the aftermath of the attack. Are you even aware of the nature of your own petition? First, you demand a retired judge to investigate, which is outside their mandate. Then you ask for compensation, press counsel action, protective guidelines. You expect us to sift through all this overnight, and now you bring up student safety, the bench remarked. Eventually, the court allowed the petitioner to withdraw the plea, but advised that concerns regarding student safety in other states could be raised before the relevant high court. The Pahalgam attack, one of the deadliest terror incidents in Kashmir in recent years, has significantly heightened tensions between India and Pakistan. The National Investigation Agency is currently leading the high-profile probe into the massacre believed to have been orchestrated by two Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Taiba operatives along with one local militant. Meanwhile, on global front, US Secretary of State Marco Rubio on Wednesday called Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif amid rising tensions with India following the Pahalgam attack last week that killed 26 people. The development comes after US State Department spokesperson Tammy Bruce at the press briefing earlier on Tuesday said that the Washington is reaching out to both India and Pakistan.
So we are reaching out regarding the Kashmir situation, India and Pakistan. That he said we are reaching out to both parties and telling, of course, them to not escalate the situation. The Secretary expects to speak with the foreign ministers of Pakistan and India as early as today or tomorrow. He is encouraging other national leaders, other foreign ministers, to also reach out to the countries on this issue. So it is, again, as I've noted, every day action is being taken. In this case, the Secretary speaking directly to his counterparts in India and Pakistan, we expect certainly the impact he's usually had with the individuals he's spoken with, and certainly with President Trump's leadership, India and Pakistan, having those conversations. It's very important for them.
In his conversation with Shehbaz Sharif, Marco Rubio asked him to condemn the Pahalgam terror attack, which claimed the lives of 26 civilians. Rubio urged Pakistani officials' cooperation in the investigation. He also encouraged Pakistan to work with India to de-escalate tensions, re-establish direct communications, and maintain peace and security in South Asia. Rubio and Sharif reaffirmed their continued commitment to holding terrorists accountable for their heinous acts of violence. Meanwhile, Pakistani troops continued ceasefire violations along the line of control for the seventh consecutive night by its unprovoked firing in several sectors across three border districts of Jammu and Kashmir, and the Indian military responded proportionately, officials said on Thursday. The exchange of fire occurred even though the Directors Generals of Military Operations of India and Pakistan spoke over the hotline on Tuesday amid rising tensions between the two countries over the Pahalgam terror attack on April 22nd. For more updates, keep watching the Indian Express.